Your fans, I promise you we walk every street. This is a street called New Street. And New Street starts off with St. Mary's Cathedral. And they have masses on Sundays from 8 at 8, 10:30, and 12 noon. And weekdays. Let's walk in and see if they'll let us in. Maybe they will, maybe they won't. Parking for worshipers and visitors only. Well, that sounds cool to me. It looks like a beautiful cathedral. And this is just part of our walk, because we said we told you we walk on every street in Killarney. So now we're gonna walk in and see if we get out upsetting anyone. We can take a little look around, do a video of it. We'll have to keep quiet out of respect for God. I always respect God. And let's see what we have here. Very nice. Oh, beautiful cathedral. What a beautiful, beautiful cathedral. Wow. Sort of like St. Patrick's with many chapels. Chapel of the Virgin Mary. Very high. Very large cathedral. Good sized cathedral. Very beautiful. Very beautiful cathedral. That gentleman didn't feel like talking, I can tell. He's deep in prayer. Pardon me for coughing. I don't know. I have some cold or postnasal drip or something. Who knows what it is. So now we're going to walk on New Street. Before the rain comes, I can smell rain coming. I don't like videoing in the rain. It's not good for the equipment. And it looks like rain might be coming, but that's okay. So it's a cloudy day today. I don't like doing videos in the cloudy weather. I like beautiful blue skies. But this is New Street in Killarney. Starts off with the St. Mary's Cathedral. I'm going to walk up New Street and go back to where it intersects with High Street. We're currently living on High Street at Foley's for the next 5 weeks. Matter of fact, we've almost been there a week. I guess I should say for the next 4 weeks. Time flies when you're having fun. And I feel rain starting, but that's okay. A little rain won't bother us. St. Bridget's Presentation Secondary School. Huh. That would be Catholic high school, maybe. Could be a Catholic high school.
I'm not laughing at the circumstance. We're actually going to
There's some cool looking apartment buildings over there. That one in particular attracts me. Penthouses on the roof, I like that. You can see the puddles, the rain hitting. Hopefully our equipment won't get destroyed. It's not raining that hard. If it picks up, I'll have to stop and do this over. West End Mews. Now these look like a lot of private homes, perhaps. Then again, they could be apartment units. One says Skin Lab. I guess that's a dermatological lab. And here's St. Bridget's School, a secondary school. Presentation Secondary School. I don't know what that means. And there's a place called the Orchard with someone named Sheehan, a solicitor, on the first floor.
Yes. What is it? Is it not?
And Hennigan, auctioneers and mortgages. They also sell a lot of real estate, it appears. And the Black Sheep Hostel is on that side of the road. And another real estate guy, Ken O'Sullivan and Company. What do we have here? We have a store that sells weights, fitness club, martial arts, karate. How about that? Like the widest angle we have. These look like they could be apartment houses. I may look into that to see if I can let one, as they say. Kingdom Clinic is coming up. They call Terry the Kingdom. I don't know why, but they call Terry. Oh, this is a dental clinic. How nice. They do implants here. Well, hopefully I won't be needing a dentist. So Sullivan's Pharmacy across the street. This is still, I guess, a medical section or something. Websites in there, but they're out of business. Blossoms, Florist. How nice. And the Killarney Framer. They'll frame your paintings for you. And Kennelly's Pharmacy and opticians. So there's an optician's office here. A hairstylist. The Strand. It's raining harder. Here we have Dunn stores. I guess they're a department store here. Yes, look like they're a department store selling just about everything. Well, come check them out. I didn't know there was a department store right around here. And this is a news agent and a grocer and a tobacconist. And here, you have the Bank of Ireland. The Bank of Ireland. Private parking only. And then here we have McBee's. This looks like a dress shop, I'd say. And a pedicure place. And we have Make My Day, a bread store. And we're going to have to stop now. It's getting too wet. Sorry, Gary's Tours, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. We'll finish this later.